What up everybody, thanks for tuning in. Thank you for coming to the video. Today we took a drive out to Kinbasket Lake. First time here. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this view. Look at that view behind me. Holy! It's about 55k up the Big Bend Highway. We did bring the Jeep. It wasn't a lot of wheeling, it was more overland, but yeah, pretty accessible. A lot of easy ways to get in here. You're legal to take boats here too, so if you have a boat, come by and go for a rip. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give us some support, and we're gonna keep bringing you some good views.
Even the better, never been better. Guess it doesn't matter if I'm not the one that you're passion from my addiction. Let's every word but not fight. I'll never let myself to regret all the things that I could. So can we erase the time before we really cross the line? Yeah, should we call it out? Talk it out. So can we just embrace our mind? Something that we used to find. Yeah, should we call it out? And never play pretend. And never play pretend. And never play pretend to be the one that you will always want. I say bye bye, hold it, can try to buy all the things that you say, all the things that you play. The conversation, got emotion, I say we were going up all night. Why you're eager to be such a liar, nothing to recover, so go tell me that you're like that. So don't treat me and try to play it cool, and you like that.